Hey y'all, come make some sun tea with the mad scientists. Yeah, so you're gonna get a mason jar. You wanna make sure it's clean, obviously. And we are going to fill that mason jar with some spring water. Add 28 ounces of spring water. At least that's gonna make it almost full until it reaches the brim. Want to make sure we got enough spring water because we are going to use that extra space for some herbs. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of dry rose petals. Okay, this is going to give it a nice, good floral balance. And it's going to give us some nice little color. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lavender. Yep, 2 tablespoons of lavender. Y'all know I love me some lavender and some rose. They're just perfect for relaxation and a good floral boost. We want to add some dried orange peels. These orange peels do come from seeded oranges. If you don't get yours from seeded oranges, that's on you. But your girl likes to deal with fruit that has seeds. Seeded oranges and some chamomile. You know your girl loves chamomile because it's also relaxing. 2 tablespoons of that. And bam, this is going to be our botanicals that we are using for our sun tea. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to put the top on that tea. Make sure you tighten it really, really good. A little spin, a little zhuzh. And then we're going to what? Go outside and put it in the sun. Place it directly in the sun for about 4 hours. And as you can see, there's color that's already coming to the tea. Now we got lavender glycerin for some boost. I had lavender glycerin sitting in the cabinet and I forgot all about it. I went down there and I found it, and baby, the lavender is gonna make it lavender. Okay, it's gonna make it do what it do. It was bomb too. 10 out of 10. So we're gonna add that to the sun tea. We'll give it a flavor boost. So let's go ahead and add that. We're gonna take off that top, of course. Check it out. Check out the goods. See what the goods is looking like. We're going to go ahead and use a cheesecloth, and we're going to go ahead and separate the tea from the actual herb because we don't want the herb no more. And what you do with the herb is your business, but you can discard it or you can actually use it again to make you another tea. If you are into recycling and using or composting, you can use it again. Now, it's not going to be as potent as the tea is this first time, but you can go ahead and use it again. So we're going to discard those herbs because I'm not using it again. Don't judge me. Judge your mother, okay? And then what we're going to do is squeeze out that cheesecloth. We're going to get the rest of that up in there. All that tea, all that goodness needs to go in our measuring cup. So once we got our tea strained out, what we're going to do, we're going to make it do what it do, boo. Just a little bit of dancing in there for a second. Got that lavender glycerin, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to add it, baby. That flavor boost is needed. And we want this to be not as sweet because the harness from the sun, we want to keep those energies and those vibrations. So we don't want to give it too much sweetness. Just a little bit. And y'all know I don't measure, so you're going to have to just do what you do and just think it out, think it through. Stirring it up, giving it that good stir, and then taste test. I think your girl was loving it. It was 10 out of 10. Take me through there, take me through there. Take me through there, take me through there. Yeah, it was bomb, baby. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add that strained tea to our mason jar because you know everything in glass just looks amazing and it's so much better. But is there something else we're gonna add? Oh, yeah, a little agave. We're gonna add a little agave, just a little bit of sweetener. Not too much, not too much. Remember, not too heavy on the sweetener. We want to make sure that we're keeping the original flavor right there. Not too much sweetness. Mix it up, shake it, and never stir it, baby. And then what we're gonna do? We're gonna try that tea out. We're gonna see what it do. Let's see what it do. Oh, it do what it do. It do what it do. Oh, it be doing what it be doing in TV10. Take me through there. Take me through there. Take me through there. Take me through there. Yeah. Again, the TV doing what they gotta do. Don't mind me. Your girl is like dancing. And this is what good food does to you. Good beverages too. It make it want to do what it do. So from me to you, I want you to go in your kitchen, go into your lab, and I want you to try making you some sun tea and harvest that sun. That sun is here for a reason. Let's use it and let's get the good energy and vibrations from up off it, okay? Enjoy.